here with Dr. Wolf in Southern California. We just did a double arch, and he saw some patients this morning before he started it. And so we started around 10 o'clock with the Maxilla, placed 5 implants on the top. So Dr. Wolf, what was your experience with CHROME and with us being chairside with you and the outcome?
Well, it was phenomenal because, number one, we started late. We started at 10 o'clock. We had another patient for surgery before that. So that was a little bit wild to start that late. And I was a little concerned. I thought, oh my God, we're not going to get out of here till 6 o'clock. We finished the case in just a little over 5 hours from start to finish. And, thank you, Thomas, for, bailing us out on that because it really helped. But the CHROME system is awesome. I've done, 40, 50 CHROMEs or more.
Right.
And this one was probably the smoothest that we've had. If it hadn't been for the crazy root canal, endo-treated teeth that we had to pick out of the lower, we'd have been done in 4 hours.
You did an awesome job on that.
So,
I know that was the challenging part of the whole surgery, yeah.
Yeah, that was challenging. It was challenging to keep my cool, but we made it.
Absolutely.
So, but thank you very much.
And good job on the augmentation of the bone on the bottom. And thank you for using CHROME. We appreciate your business. And we look forward to the next one.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. We got more coming.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.